Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. On this video, I will be presenting on project planning. First, let's understand what is project planning. Project planning means defining the project goal and scope, what we aim to achieve. Second one is developing a roadmap of tasks and timeline, what tasks we need to do and what timeline we require to complete it. And for completing the tasks, we need the resource allocation, people, equipment, and managing the risks. For example, if we are developing a university building construction project, the goal may be to complete a 3-story academic block within the 12 months with defined classroom, lab, and facilities. Planning ensures that all activities from design to construction are properly structured. The first key process is scope and requirement definition. It includes identifying the project objective and delivery clearly, what we need to deliver. And second is creating a breakdown structure of the work. And third is defining the boundaries such as time, cost, and quality. For example, for the same university building, deliveries include foundation, structure, electrical work, and finishing. And WBS may break this into tasks like excavation, concreting, and wiring, etc. And constraint may include a 2 million budget and a strict completion deadline. A clearly defined scope prevents misunderstanding and scope creep. Next is project scheduling. This involves the sequence of tasks and dependency, like finish to start, which tasks we can start together. So those relations we define in the scheduling. And next we define the duration and set milestone to track the project. For example, for a building, completion of phase 4 may be a milestone, second 4 can be a milestone, and third one is identify the critical path, the longest task chain by which the project time will complete. Some of the example may be excavation must finish before foundation work, so that can be finished to start dependency. For the estimation work like structure work may take 3 months while the electrical installation takes 1 month. And for the critical path, this may include excavation, then it will need to go foundation, then structure and roofing work. So such sequence of work is a critical path activities. Any delay on that activities will directly delay the entire project. The third aspect is resource and budget planning. This includes like assigning labor, equipment, and material. For example, we assign engineer, contractor, labor to different tasks, and another is plan work schedule, shift and holiday. So we need to plan the schedule according to the calendar, like there may be some holiday, Christmas break. We need to plan the resource accordingly and allocating budget and balance workload. As of, we need to maintain health and safety regulation in the project, so no resources overloaded during the project. So proper planning about cost and overrun and resource conflict in the project. Another one is the risks and quality management. We need to identify the potential risks right earlier. Risks may be delayed due to bad weather, so mitigation may include time buffer in the schedule. Another can be the material price increase. Mitigation way for that is early procurement contract. By that way, we can develop the mitigation part and contingency in a project. Usually some amount is provided for the contingency for the risks in the project, and we need to set an improve quality standard and check as per the contract document. So this ensures that we can provide a reliability and compliance for the project. After we develop the project baseline, then we can monitor and control it, and this includes tracking the progress against the plan. So we can track the weekly progress meetings, if construction is on schedule or not. If any delay is occurred, then we can add additional resource, maybe assigned to it, adjust resource and schedule and resource as needed. If there is any delay, then we can allocate more resource on it. If there is any change that need to be done in the project, then we can go to the change control process. Communicate update to the stakeholder. So any update in the project or monthly updated program is submitted to the stakeholders so that they understand where we are in terms of the project. And if we are using the NEC contract, then the contractor need to submit the program as per the clause 32. And summary intake of project planning aligns with the scope, time, and resource to complete the project. We need to clearly understand the scope of the project, how long it will take, and the resource required to do the work. And each key process, scope, schedule, resource, risks, and build the plan. We need all the things to complete our project. Also, different drives the project success and smoother execution leads to the project final date. Thanks for watching this video. If you find our video valuable, please share, like, and subscribe for more content on contract planning or project control. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.